Pakistan announces to ease lockdown from May 11th. All small markets, shops and allied industries of construction sector across country will reopen from Saturday, PM says. Imran Khan requested the public to follow the standard operating procedures (SOPs) to prevent the spread of coronavirus. If we observe that people are violating SOPs and it causes a rise in new cases in the country, then the government will again go for a lockdown, Prime Minister warned. In March, Pakistan imposed a countrywide lockdown, closing shops, markets, shopping centers, and offices except for emergency service, in a desperate move to curb the surging COVID-19 cases. Last month, Imran Khan announced the reopening of low-risk industries, including construction, agriculture, e-commerce, paper and packaging, and others to resume the business activities to stem a deepening economic meltdown caused by the coronavirus crisis. The government also allowed congregational prayer in mosques during the Islamic holy month of Ramadan. Education institutions still closed. Coronavirus cases in Pakistan. The number of novel coronavirus cases in Pakistan, the second worst hit country in the region after India, has risen to 24,644, according to the Health Ministry. The death toll in the country is at 585 while 6,464 have recovered so far. Over 3.78 million cases have been reported worldwide, with the death toll nearing 265,000 and over 1.25 million recoveries, according to data compiled by the U.S. Johns Hopkins University.